Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Family Unboxings, and today we have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and it costs $25. So here it is. It's all pretty in pink and it says Ipsy, like this. While we open it up, we have, this is what it looks like inside. And it says, discover yourself. And this is my mom, so it's not mine. It's pretty yellow foam. We have this. We have take a break. And at the back it says, your Glam Bag Plus packaging list. Oh, so I'm not going to read this or show it to you guys because it's going to be a secret what we get. So, first thing we have a Mind Flower mask. You can read it on the thing if you like. Okay, let's put that over here. Now, oh, and then we have another one. And another one. Okay, next thing is this box. If you want to read that, you can read it. Because I don't know what it is. Let's open it up. Oh. I don't know how to open it. Oh. Oh, that's pretty. It looks like lip gloss or something, like lips. So, yeah. And really a lip person, right? Funny. Okay, next thing is this powder. It says beautiful brows. So it's like an eyeliner. Eyeliner. Okay, or like powder. Here we have is the brush, the elbow. And we have the powder right here. See it? Okay. And like trash over there. Trash over there. Next thing we have is, let's see, I don't know what this is. But it looks pretty, right? Like silver right here and black right there. It looks like bronzer or something like that. Oh, huh? Eyeshadow. I didn't know how to open it, so it's like tape right here. And then you can open it like that. That's so cool, right? And we have eyeshadow right here. And we're not going to swatch it, but here it is. It's so shiny, it's going in the light. It's like a mirror too. Okay, put this back, this way. Here we go. Next thing is we have bubble wrap. And we've got something. And I need to use the scissors and be careful. Finally, the bag is open. So bubble. Whoa! Yep. Finally, this black bottle, and I don't know what this is. It says Luna. That's my friend's name.
Face oil.
It's face oil. Right here. And it's a squishy top like other face oils. Okay, I got the next thing. Oh, here's the bag. It's like summery. It says Ipsy at the back. Let's see here. We have like purple in here and a blue zipper. We have Wanderlust. I don't know, but it's like a travel one. See? It has
Got a little airplane?
Yeah, airplane zipper. Super cute and pretty. And it's actually good to take in your bag or like what kind of bag you have. Any kind of bag. And that's it for the Ipsy box. So, for $25, get 5 items. It's all of this I just showed you. And this. So that's all you get. And comment down below and subscribe. And let us know, comment down below and tell us what was your favorite in the box and if you have any suggestions for other boxes. So bye. This is Family Unboxings. Bye.